In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix game or app installation issues here on an Xbox Series X or S or even an Xbox One. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but first things first, go ahead and start by opening up the My Games and Apps section on your device, and then go specifically to the Apps tab, just like so, and look specifically for the Xbox Support app. You can scroll through here, you'll see it pop up. It's usually down towards the very bottom, so just keep that in mind. But open up Xbox Support, and once you open up the Xbox Support app, check the Xbox status just to see if there is any server outages. If something is down, it'll pop up in this tab up in the top right. But from here, make sure you're signed into the correct account. So hit the Xbox button, go to your profile section all the way up in the, right section of this pop-up, hit switch account and make sure that you're signed into the right one that owns the gamer app. And then from here, also check your notifications just because you're already in here anyways, just to see if you have a message about not having enough storage, since you'll have to delete some games or apps to do that. Now, to do that, you can go into your settings, but before you even do that, what I'd recommend doing is going actually up to the very top into the settings tab. And once you're in the settings tab, go ahead and go over to system, go to updates, and just check to see if there's an update available. If not, that's when you're going to want to go into storage and clean up some of this storage by hitting free up space. It really is as simple as that, though. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.